Hi, I'm Elsie Kent, and today I will be teaching you how to butternut squash. So if you're anything like me, the first time somebody handed you one of these, you went, do I put it in the oven? Never fear, because Elsie Kent is here. So basically what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to take this and get yourself a crock pot. And you're going to figure out how much you have to cut off of the end of the squash. Once you've lopped off the proper proportion, which I'm not going to do here because I have one prepared ready to show you, you simply stick it in the crock pot on low until your butternut squash looks like this. Now you will need to add enough water to cover the bottom of the crock pot before you begin. It's so soft you could puree it with a fork. It's actually not too bad. I haven't even seasoned it yet. There you have it. This has been Elsie Kent, and today I have taught you how to butternut squash. See ya.